Question 1. Refer to the exhibit. You have discovered that computers on the 192.168.10.0/24 network can ping their default gateway, but they cannot connect to any resources on a remote network. Which reason for the problem is most likely true? Options. Answer is B. The 192.168.12.0/24 network is missing from OSPF. Question 2. Which function forwards frames to ports that have a matching destination MAC address? Options. Correct answer is C. Frame switching. Frame switching involves forwarding frames to ports that have a matching destination MAC address, based on information stored in the switch MAC address table. This process is fundamental to how Ethernet switches operate within a local area network. Question 3. Refer to the diagram. All hosts have connectivity with one another. Which statements describe the addressing scheme that is in use in the network? Choose 3. Options. Answers are A, C and F. Question 4. Which two QoS tools provide congestion management? Choose 2. Options. Correct answers are C and E. CBWFQ and PQ. Question 5. Which parameter or parameters are used to calculate OSPF cost in Cisco routers? Options. Answer is B. Bandwidth. OSPF uses the bandwidth of the interface to calculate the cost of the path. Lower bandwidth implies higher cost, as OSPF prefers higher bandwidth paths. Other parameters like MTU, reliability, delay, and load are not directly used in calculating OSPF cost. Question 6. Refer to the exhibit. A network engineer updates the existing configuration on interface Fast Ethernet 1/1 SW1. It must establish an Ether channel by using the same group designation with another vendor switch. Which configuration must be performed to complete the process? Options. Correct answer is B. Option B. Channel Group 2 mode on configures the interface to unconditionally form an Ether channel without any negotiation. This is known as on mode or static mode, and it doesn't rely on any negotiation protocol. This is a safe choice when dealing with switches from different vendors or when you want to ensure compatibility without relying on proprietary negotiation protocols. Question 7. Refer to the exhibit. If R1 receives a packet destined to 172.16.1.1, to which IP address does it send the packet? Options. Answer is A. It seems there is no entry for the destination address and subnet entry in the routine table, so it will be directed to the gateway of last resort. Question 8. Which type of IPv6 address is similar to a unicast address but is assigned to multiple devices on the same network at the same time? Options. Correct answer is C. An anycast address is used to identify multiple interfaces, typically belonging to different devices, with the same address. When a packet is sent to an anycast address, it is routed to the nearest interface that is assigned that address. This is different from a unicast address, where a packet is sent to a specific interface. Question 9. An engineer is installing a new wireless printer with a static IP address on the Wi-Fi network. Which feature must be enabled and configured to prevent connection issues with the printer? Options. Answer is B. DHCP address assignment. By enabling DHCP address assignment on the Wi-Fi network, you ensure that devices, including the printer, receive IP addresses automatically. Even though the printer has a static IP address, having DHCP enabled ensures that the network can dynamically assign IP addresses to other devices joining the network. This prevents potential IP address conflicts that may occur if multiple devices have statically assigned IP addresses within the same subnet. With DHCP, the printer can still use its static IP address while other devices on the network receive dynamic IP addresses. This configuration helps prevent connectivity issues and IP conflicts. The other options provided are not directly related to preventing connection issues with a wireless printer. Question 10. Which two characteristics are representative of virtual machines? Choose 2. Options. Correct answers are A and E. Multiple VM operate on the same underlying hardware and each VM runs independently of any other VM in the same hypervisor.